Okay.
Hey everyone, welcome to Hello RC.
And look at this beautiful bottle of champagne we have. Well, if I can get it in there. Can I get it in? There it is. Hello, champagne.
But this is Jason and Liz, and we are out here tonight at Crawler County to celebrate a milestone for our channel, which you guys are responsible for, which is our first 1,000,000 views since we started our channel.
And I was just telling Ashley about it because she's home this week. So I was telling her, hey, that means we've had 1,000,000 people see us. Then I realized it could be just like 10 people watching it 100,000 times. But still, we got 1,000,000 views.
Thanks to all the 1,000,000 people or 1,000,000 people that clicked on that button to watch our pointless videos.
Maybe we have a guy who wants to watch me all day.
Yeah, that's right. But anyways, we have the official beer truck,
it's not a girl that wants to watch
which
you
is the RC4WD BEER Overland. Liz is going to drive it around the course here tonight, and we're going to take it in.
You sound goofy.
Hey everyone, this is, hey, hang on.
This is Jason. I'm Liz. Okay. Hello RC.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Jason, and here is Liz, and we are out here tonight to celebrate a milestone for our channel.
With our beer truck.
And we brought the official beer truck out with us.
Except it's got champagne on it.
Yeah. But this is to celebrate our first 1,000,000 views on our channel. We've been doing this for about 2 years. We can't believe we got to the 1,000,000 view mark. It was quite a surprise to get that email from YouTube telling us that.
We're so excited. Thank you guys for everything you do and watching and commenting. We got tons more commenters this week.
Yes.
All these new people.
We appreciate all you guys for clicking that button 1,000,000 times to watch these videos. But to celebrate, we're going to drive the beer truck around the course out here tonight. Liz is going to be behind the wheel. Then we're going to take it open. Then we're going to take it back inside
and open
and crack this thing open and celebrate with all you guys.
Drink it.
So thank you very much, and let's go.
I hope Ashley has some too, but right now she's got the flu on the couch. I love this truck.
It is awesome.
This is the Overland 4x4
by RC4WD Drive.
It's a Mercedes brand, except we don't have a little Mercedes.
Hey, I'm going to have to 3D print the Mercedes thing for the front.
Yeah. Is that legal?
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay.
It's a toy.
Okay.
All right, we'll grab the remote and let's go.
I don't want to copyright something bad.
Do you even remember how to drive this thing?
No.
Okay, the one stick steers and the other stick.
I got it.
Okay.
And Jason's got that champagne bottle.
We've got precious cargo on here. What are you actually gonna try to go? You're gonna really crash here.
Oh my God! If I crash down the hill with the champagne,
yeah, that's gonna be bad.
I might pump the bottle.
This is not a crawler.
I just want to crawl up there though.
I don't think you'll be able to. But go ahead and try it. Go ahead and try it.
I'm not gonna ruin the champagne. If we do, we got one more bottle.
This is getting awful risky here. Do not try this at home. This is a bad idea. Alright, give it a little boost and get yourself up on the bridge.
You don't want to see me actually make it?
Oh yeah, I do want to see you make it, but I don't want our cargo to get spoiled.
What we need out here is the 6x6 to yank it up there.
That's right.
It's got a winch on it. Is that what you call it? A winch?
Yep. It's got 2 winches on it.
It could pull it up there just like that?
Oh yeah, it would have no trouble pulling this up there.
Oh, the champagne looks so cold and good.
Yeah, it's like 29 degrees out here, so we're chilling our champagne.
I better help it.
Yeah, see, this is not recommended use for this vehicle.
Oh God, I got it. Okay.
But you aren't gonna tell an expert driver like Liz what to do.
You're not gonna tell me how to drive.
That's right.
My truck, my champagne.
It's her truck. She can drive it how she wants to.
I like this
It is a lot of fun.
But really, we just use it in the house, go across the bar with champagne.
It's
we'll
fun.
do it here in a second, right?
Yeah, it's fun to drive out here. It's really scale looking. It handles really
I don't
scale.
want to get the wheels too muddy because it has to go across my bar top
Yeah.
in a second. Okay, let's go in then.
Yeah, we're going to trail it around here for a while. Yep. Drive right on up where you're standing. We'll go around this trail on the front side here.
This is fun.
If you guys are watching this for the first time, this is your first time to our channel.
The champagne is kind of heavy too.
Yeah. This is our home course, Crawler County, that Liz and I and Wyatt have
helped.
Yeah, he's not here today, but he helped.
Ashley couldn't help because she's away at school.
They all helped us build this, thank you for being one of our next million views for our channel.
Maybe this video will.
Maybe it will, who knows. Share this video. Let's see if we can get this video to 1 million views. By itself.
Wouldn't that be great?
That would be great.
Okay, let's do it. We'll just sit and watch it ourselves.
Yeah. Man, look at that thing. It's just unstoppable.
It is.
Until you hit that one. There's no stick stopping this truck. We did put a winch on this. Yep. But really, thank you guys for making this possible. When we started this channel, just about 2 years ago, you know, we had no expectations. Just wanted to come out and, yeah, we didn't even have a crawler at that point. But, yeah, our whole family loves it, so. Liz invented it. This thing is so cool to drive out here, isn't it?
I love the snowy background.
Oh, it's awesome.
Here's a sign.
Our Crawler County sign right there.
That's so old.
Yeah. See where Liz is heading. Said I see where you're heading here. Yes. You're kind of far away. I'm afraid that people won't be able to hear you. Let's see. I think there's a stick under there. Oh, you missed it. Turn up, stop. Back it up just a hair. Turn to your right. No, you're right. Back it up. Back it up.
This truck is stuck.
You're good. You can back it up. All right, turn to your right a hair.
Hold on. I need to realign. So I totally made it a money mess.
Let's see what she's doing here. Straight. To the right. There you go. You got it.
Dude, I just missed that stick by like the
I know. That was good driving. Oh, you made it. You're good. Your expert driving does it again. Heading around the trail here. Heading for home.
We haven't hardly had any snow this year.
Don't say that. Uh-huh. Oh. I'm okay.
How's our cargo? Oh no! We're definitely gonna have it pop clear the ceiling.
Yeah.
Our ceiling's got a hole in it. Like they do out on the football field. Get your nose. Fingers are cold.
Burr.
I know it. Miles.
Beer truck, waiting for our
Miles.
celebration. Miles wants some of that champagne.
You want a Christmas present? Huh? You want a beer truck? No, you want the K10, don't you?
Yeah, he wants a.
You want a K10, Miles? Wyatt. Yes, you want a K10.
He wants a K10. What colors do you want? A red one?
Black. The black one. You want the same one? You want the K10 for Christmas? Huh? You do? Okay. Okay, so we made it back in the house. We warmed up our fingers. We played with Miles a little bit.
And Liz made me roll out paper towel for the runway because we got muddy tires.
And who knows? There could be duck poop on those tires.
Who knows? But we're safe.
It's clean now. Okay.
And this is our tradition for the beer truck. We drive it down the bar, and there's our champagne glasses at the end. And Liz can't wait.
I know it. Okay, so we just got in, and we're gonna go down here and celebrate 1 million views. Whoa.
Oh.
I peeled out. Whoa.
All right, well, let's unload our cargo and pop the cork.
You've got this really secure.
Just rip it.
We're gonna drink a bottle of champagne at 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
It's not too early.
Yay. About
Hey.
time.
Might not want to pop it underneath
can
our
start.
lights here.
Oh,
That could be bad.
all right. Definitely not pointing it at me.
No.
Okay, Miles, you're sleeping. but
He's
this
about
might
to
wake
get woke
you
up.
I'll try to hang on to it.
Here we go. Oh.
Oh, I got it.
Ha. Hey, it didn't explode after all. You didn't shake it up too bad.
No. Perfect. So I want the bigger glass, so I'm going to pour yours first.
Okay.
Since I think I do most of the work on this channel,
That's right.
I get like the biggest load of champagne.
Fill her up.
Is that full?
That's good enough.
Okay. I don't think you're supposed to fill up champagne glasses.
I don't know.
Okay. Don't they look pretty? Well, congratulations, Jason.
Here's to all you guys and the 1 million clicks for our videos. Couldn't do it without you. So cheers. Yep, can.
Okay. Cheers, Jason, to 1 million more subs, right?
Subs. Yeah.
And views.
Yeah.
You're supposed to hold with this hand. No.
I gotta get it so.
That looks terrible. You look too lovey-dovey. Is that good? Huh?
Mm-hmm. Can you see to cheers me? Okay.
Okay.
Well, say something. Yep.
You got the angle? I gotta get my hair.
Now
It could be just like 10 people watching it 100,000 times. But still, we got 1 million views.
Yeah, thanks to all the million people or million people that clicked on that button to watch our pointless videos. No, it was actually good.
It was? Okay, keep going.
But you're cutting my head off after the video.
Oop, taking my video. Okay, I got it propped up right there.
Okay. Hey everyone, welcome back to the
Look
channel.
at your sloppy shirt.
Oh my gosh, will you stop? Who cares?
You've got some yuck on you. We're on a 1 million view video. You have to look superb.
Okay.